Fuck you, haters! This video is not for kids! Go find another toilet to shit on!
Alright, this is the place. Deep breaths, James. Deep breaths. Here we go. Huh? Oh dear. Alright. Okay, alright. Excuse me. Hello? Excuse me? Who's there? Oh goodness. Oh boy, oh dear. Oh, it's you. What do you want? Hello. We're in a bit of trouble and we need you to clear the track so we can fix the airport's runway. Why would I help you steamies? I'm busy sorting out scrap here. But surely you're not too busy that you can't just go for a few minutes, right? You saying I'm not busy? No, I'd never say that. Never would. It's just... we need you. Eh? We need your help. If the airport isn't finished, there'll be less passengers and I'm scared. If we don't have enough work to do, Well, I think you know. Maybe I will help. Later. No, not later. Now. We need your help now. I mean, think about it. If you help us save the airport, you'll have saved our passenger trains for the summer. You will, without a doubt, be the most important engine on the island. It's funny coming from the likes of you. Thought you didn't like us. What makes you think that? What, you don't think I hear nothing? Harry and Bert come here a lot. Oh. Tell me about the things you say. Well, believe me, I know now about how horrible I've been to them. And Diesel. I mean, if I wasn't so stuck up and vain, we wouldn't even be in this mess right now. I've hurt them, and my friends, who probably don't want to be friends with me anymore. My behaviour has been disgusting, and I'm sorry for the hurtful things I've done and said. This is my final chance to put things right. I said that if you helped us, you'd be the most important engine on the island. But you're already just as important as us steam engines. And I should have seen that sooner. Alright, I'll help.